Hello, hi everybody, this is Midnight Sky Wolf here, and I'm here to tell you guys I got some more fidget spinners. Please excuse Please excuse me. So anyway, I have two new fidget spinners, and these are LED ones. As you can see, they light up, and they're really pretty. I did dim the lights so you guys could see them. And these are really nice. I caught them. I saw them in a store. I don't know if they're gonna spin or not, but I'm trying to do it on this fast surface. And this is a blue one. Everybody, that's a blue one. Sorry, it's hard for my camera too. But anyway, that's a blue one right there, and this one's a white one. Let's see if I can. And this one's white. So I thought I'd show you guys these really pretty fidget spinners. Oh, they automatically shut off. So I thought I'd show you guys that, and then here's this one. So hold on. Oh, so here's this one, and this is a really pretty one that I got. And then here are my other two, the ones that light up. They're really pretty. So I thought I'd show you guys this newest addition to my fidget spinner collection. Okay, everybody, thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment, please rate, please subscribe, and as always, may the spirit of the wolf be with you until we meet again next time in paradise. Okay, everyone, bye.